I got this Everyman Jack beard kit. It's a ton of things that come in the box. Let me go ahead and show you everything that you get. Here's a close-up of the beard brush. You can see how nice it looks. And then this is all engraved in here. And then it's got the nice bristles. Feels really good on my beard to brush my beard with this brush. The bristles are nice and soft, but they're also firm enough to get in here. So it's a really nice brush. Here's a close-up of the comb. You can see how fine the comb is on the top and then how wide it is on the bottom. You can see how good it gets in there. And then how good it does down here on the thick part of my beard. And then on this part here that's not as thick, combs that really good with the fine part. I could also use it for my hair if I wanted to. So if you just took this with you, you could use it like as a regular comb for your hair and for your beard. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. The nice thing about the beard oil is it's got this pump on it. So you just squirt it down in your hand like that. And then you just rub it in your beard real good. Smells really nice. It's got the sandalwood smell. And then you could use your beard brush if you wanted to comb it in real good, comb the oil in. Got the nice brush there. And then you can see there's a few little hairs sticking down there. So I could try the little beard grooming kit. Got the real fine little comb. You can see that little tiny comb. Get a nice little trim there. So yeah, it's pretty nice to have these little shears. And this little comb is pretty cool too. And I like how it comes in this nice little pouch with a button on it. It's also got the logo embossed there, the Everyman Jack, and it's got nice stitching on it, so it's a nice little pouch. And then there's the beard balm. It's got a nice top on it. Like I said, it smells like sandalwood. I just put my thumb in there to kind of get some of it out. But you can see what it looks like. It's a nice beard balm. Kind of get my mustache gets a little curly. I don't really want to have the curly mustache like that, but can kind of comb it down there and use the beard balm to keep it all in place so it looks nice. So we don't get too curly on the sides, but if you wanted to curl it, you could, but I want to have mine straight. So yeah, between the beard oil and the beard balm, you got a lot of good stuff in here for your beard. All right, there you go. There's everything that comes in the Everyman Jack beard gift box. Yeah, if you're looking for a gift for somebody with a beard or for yourself, this is a pretty nice gift box. Got a lot of nice stuff in it for your beard.